Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I have a special dish that you can use it as snack and you can use it as your proper meal. You can just have it and you can combine it with beans with a very nice sauce. And what is that? It is Egbo. Egbo. This is it. Is it not lovely? Egbo, beans, the sauce with lots of protein. If you want to know how it is done, just come along with me and let's do this together. We need corn or maize, but these ones, they've been peeled and crushed very dry. Some people they do soak and some they just leave it like that, but because I'll be using my slow cooker, all I will do is just wash and cook it overnight. This is Iru low-cost beans, maggi star with salt, garlic, some cloves of garlic. This is onion powder, pomo for the sauce. I have tatashe red bell pepper and I have scotch bonnet peppers. Atarodo, I have onion, and these are the assorted beef, pomo and smoked turkey cut into these sizes. And why I'm using smoked turkey is because it gives it that flavor, that smokiness it adds to the sauce. Is very yummy. Now I'll be using my food processor to blend my peppers and the onions. Why I'm doing this is because I don't want too much water in the sauce, because it is normally cooked very dry, like you cook ata, rice didi, the fried stew. And you notice that I didn't add any tomato because the fried sauce I know that we used to eat Egbo doesn't have tomato. If you put tomato, it's going to be forever before it gets dry. I'm pouring the blended peppers into the pot. There is little or no water at all, and what I'll be doing now is I will make sure I use a very low heat to allow it to cook, so that the taste of it being raw will be taken away. So while our pepper is on fire cooking, I'll be frying the onions and the garlic. And this is our palm oil. We're doing the garlic, some onion, I'll allow it to fry for about 2 minutes before adding my Iru, the low-cost beans, because I don't want it to get burnt. I just want it to release the flavor into the oil. I'm ready to add my low-cost beans, the Iru. So I'll just allow it to release its flavor into the oil. I don't want it to get burnt. That's why I didn't start with it from the beginning. So what I'll be doing, I'll be pouring the oil into it. Be very careful while doing that. Now allow it to fry very well before we put all our orishirishi inside it. All the proteins, the beef, the pomo, and the smoked turkey. If you like what you've seen so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And I'm going to be adding the maggi cube to it and some salt to taste. This is my slow cooker. Slow cooker, like I was trying to explain to my daughter, is the electric version of coal pot. If you have ever used coal pot before in Nigeria or in Africa, it's just the electric version of it. It slow cook your food for you. You know, when I was showing you the corn or the maize, the very dried one, I told you that some people do soak it overnight, but I didn't do that because my slow cooker did it for me. And all I did was wash and put inside the slow cooker, add enough water, my husband told me that we don't add salt to Egbo. So you can have it as your snack, your main meal, or dinner, or something light. So, and sometimes they eat beans with it, very cooked beans. I'll be showing you when I'm about serving that. And this is how it looks like. You see it? It's mushy and very soft. If you don't have slow cooker, you can soak it like I said. Then when it is soft, you can put it in your pot, add enough water and be checking regularly until it's very soft. Let me just show you how soft it is. Very soft, you see. I'll be adding my assorted meat to the stew. Now I'll be adding the onion powder to it. You can leave it out, it's not compulsory, but the flavor it gives. Let's check our stew. Wow, the sauce for the Egbo is ready. This is how my dinner will be served. I have the beans. If you see the beans very well, you see that it is not watery, it's moist, and the Egbo very soft with the sauce. I can see the locust, the pomo. This is going into my mouth. Yummy. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you discover, and as you discover, you enjoy. You even enjoy better. Today we've made Egbo. Beans is there. You can serve it with or without beans, and all the orishirishi that is there. The sauce, very tasty. So if you like what we've seen so far, please like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. The Egbo is very interesting. Till next time, bye.